Hi guys, how we doing? So the packs at the moment I've got for sale, I've also got the vegetarian pack and the vegan pack. And it's just really interesting because you might think to yourself, oh, I'm not a vegetarian, I'm not a vegan. However, you might be going through a period of time in your life where you have intolerances to foods, normal foods that you've been eating. So that might be dairy. You might be eating cheese and getting stomach aches. You might be drinking normal milk in your coffee and then you're getting stomach aches, you're getting cramps, you're getting headaches. So that's why actually these packs are really good. And I eat everything. I eat absolutely everything, but there's a lot of the time that having non-dairy things is really beneficial for me. I get less symptoms after it, so therefore I enjoy those foods more. So go and check it out. You don't have to say, oh, I'm going vegan, I'm going vegetarian, and I'm going to restrict my life down to this and this because of that. But what it is about is having a more enjoyable life. And if you're in pain after you eat certain foods, but you might be confused as to what to eat, what I would look at first is your dairy. So look at your dairy intake, and secondly look at your grains. So look at your wheat. Wheat's a massive one. So have a look at all the grains, and you might need a cleanse. You might need to just take those out for a while. If you do that, do it slowly. So take your time. If you whip them out all at once and go cold turkey, you're gonna get a lot of symptoms. You're gonna probably feel withdrawal symptoms. You're gonna feel lethargic. You might get headaches, other kind of pain. So just be really delicate with it, really careful. Take your time, and more on that later, guys. Go get your recipe packs now at goldan.co.uk. Let's go.